In this video, you'll learn how to convert Bitcoin to Australian dollars on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the conversion process and manage your cryptocurrency effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or open the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the trade section on the main navigation menu. This section is typically found at the top of the page or in the sidebar of the app interface. Next, select the convert option from the available trading features. This will direct you to a new interface specifically designed for. Here, you will see fields labeled from and to. In the from field, select BTC to indicate that you are converting Bitcoin. In the to field, choose AUD to specify that you want to convert your Bitcoin into Australian dollars. After making these selections, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to convert in the designated input field. After entering the amount, look for the button labeled Preview Conversion and click on it. This action will display the current conversion rate along with the total amount of AUD you will receive. It is crucial to review this information carefully, ensuring that you are comfortable with the rate and the amount before proceeding. Pay attention to any time limits indicated on the screen, as these may affect your ability to complete the conversion. Once you have confirmed that everything is correct, proceed to confirm the conversion by clicking the confirmation button. The conversion will execute instantly, allowing for a quick and seamless transaction. It is important to note that during high traffic times, there may be slight delays, so be patient if necessary. After the conversion is completed, navigate to your fiat wallet to check your updated AUD balance. This area will provide you with a summary of your holdings. If you need additional confirmation, you can review your transaction history, where you will find a record of the conversion that should appear almost immediately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.